Hey guys, QF here, and today we're going to be unboxing my first Speed Cube 7x7, the MGC 7x7. So yeah, let's get started. So just a bit of background knowledge, about me and the MGC. So for all my N/Ns, all my big N/Ns, which is 4x4 and up to 6x6, I've been using the MGC and they are really good. So I'm really excited to try this cube out. And yeah, let's get started. So, cool box as always, by the way. So here is the cube. I say the size is pretty cool. I think it's pretty good. I can fit it comfortably in my hands. But we're gonna take a look at the accessories box, which is probably gonna be the normal stuff. What's this? Oh, it's a cube stand. Okay, that's so cool. I've not actually I don't actually have a YJ cube stand yet, and so I don't really know how to fix this together. But yeah, we'll figure that out later. Maybe in this video, maybe not. Okay, let's just put this aside. Okay, now let's take a look at the cube itself. Yeah, let's open it. Very interesting. Wow. Okay. Yeah, let's get started. I don't know if you can hear the sound of it, but like, it's very sandy. And it's, yeah, I think we need to break this cube in. But yeah, so completing the accessories box, we've got screwdriver, which comes in every MGC cube. I mean this particular screwdriver. Magnets, springs, more springs, and a pamphlet, which somehow has a 4x4 on it. But yeah, that's very cool. Okay, now let's try to fix this cube stand together. Just give me one moment while I figure this out. Okay, so these two pieces go together, and then this final piece goes here. Now we just gotta snap all these pieces together. There we go, we've got a cube stand. Very interesting. So, like so. Wow, it's very classy actually. So I'm not actually that fast on 7x7, but I have a competition coming up with 7x7 in it. I signed up for it, but I'm just gonna see if I can get like under 6 minutes, which is the cutoff. So that, yeah, actually this MGC, unlike the other MGC I received, it actually comes quite tight out of the box, which is okay, I guess. It's actually really helpful to the new cubers who might turn big cubes too forcefully and ending up like popping it or something. But yeah, this is a really cool 7x7. So obviously, as you can see, I'm doing the checkerboard pattern right now. Hey, so cool. Yeah, okay. Then that pretty much wraps up the unboxing for this video. I'll probably add in a time-lapse solve of me like solving this because I take forever to solve it. Yeah, I'm very excited to lube this cube and start practicing 7x7 because, okay, I'm not sure if you guys want to see it, but here's my previous 7x7, which was given to me by a friend. As you can see, it's pretty bad. It's Shengsha 7x7. Yeah, very bad. And I think the last time I solved this, I took like 14 minutes. Then I tried Speed 7x7. I'm pretty sure it was the AoFu WRM, the new one, but the very expensive one. And I got like 7 minutes. So yeah, hopefully I'll get used to this cube and get fast times on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing for this cube. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another clip where I do a time-lapse solve.